बैक टू माय चैनल सैशवी ठक्कर और आपका स्वागत है एक और नई वीडियो में। और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक ये वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तो जल्दी से जाके कर दो और उस पर बेल नोटिफिकेशन भी दबा दो ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो आए सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन सिर्फ आपको आ जाए। तो मैं ऐसा ही फन कंटेंट बनाती रहती हूँ। इस बार मैं लेके आई हूँ एक ऐसा ही नया वीडियो। सो फन कंटेंट के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को। चलिए शुरू करते हैं ये वीडियो। So guys, this video is going to be about my 2021 journal setup और मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हूँ द वे दिस टर्न्ड आउट। इस बार मैंने एक्चुअली जर्नल का शूट पहले कर लिया, मैं इंट्रो बाद में शूट कर रही हूँ। सो आई नो इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल, मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद आया। बट बिफोर गेटिंग इन टू दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस जर्नल फ्रॉम फैक्ट नोट्स एंड नो इट इज नॉट अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो। आई एम यूजिंग दिस। मैं एक्चुअली सोच रही थी कि इसके ऊपर मैं ब्लैक कवर करके गोल्डन से 2021 लिखूं, बट वो बहुत ज्यादा टैकी टाइप, नॉट एक्जैक्टली टैकी बट बहुत ज्यादा टिपिकल टाइप हो जाता एंड आई कुडंट फिगर आउट राइट नाउ कि मुझे इसका कवर क्या चाहिए। सो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट इट लाइक ऐसे ही अभी के लिए। फिर जब मैं इस पे कुछ करूंगी नया या अपडेट करूंगी तब मैं आपको बता दूंगी, पर अभी के लिए तो आई हैव।
So for the first page I decided to write 2020 in a vertical manner, and below that I just wrote that this belongs to Saishavi, so that if ever it gets like stolen or anything happens to it, people might know where to return it. And I just then bolded the 2021 and I just love how that turned out. So for the next page I just decided to write a beautiful New Year quote which read 365 sunrises to rise over, and it just gives me hope to do something new every day. And then I just made a sun where it is coming out, and on the second page I added 2021 at a glance, and I just like made out the calendar of the whole year so that I get an overview of whole year in just one page. If I want to see any dates or days or anything, I can just look up to one page. And to make it better I used black marker to highlight them, and then wrote in silver January, February, March and everything. My next page is going to be index, so I just wrote out index in a beautiful font, and I've decided to give 2 pages to the index, so both the pages would have page number and description so that I can find out easily what is on which page. Next part of this year is going to be the future log, which I just love. So for the first page I just wrote Jan, Feb and March, and on the other page I wrote the next 3 months, that's April, May and June, and I just divided them into the equal parts and just made out the calendar on them so that I know which exactly is what and when I have to write it and when not. I did same on the next 2 pages for other half of the month. So the resolution for my this year is going to be like learning a new word every day to increase my vocabulary. So I just made out a spread for this which says 1 word a day, and then I divided that page into 6 equal parts and divided it with the months and the dates of the day, and I'll just write every new word I learn every day so that I can keep a track at the end of the month what I'm up to. And also dedicated next 2 pages on the same for the other half of the year. Next 2 pages is going to be my goals and the YouTube milestones if I like cross any this year. So yeah. This is one of my favorite spreads, and also the other resolution I have took this year is to read as many books as I can. So I had to make a proper page where all my books which I have read this whole year would be placed. So I just made out like a beautiful rack like this for it, and it looks so dope. I wrote out 2021 books on it and draw the books and colored them a bit. Also, to make it look better, I also added some little plants to that. The next page is going to be my dot grid. I have seen this in so many journals and it helps so much. Like, so I had to end it with a nice quote. So I just wrote out in a beautiful fancy writings that new day, new year, new hopes, new excitement, new passions and new beginnings, but all with the same beautiful heart, and it just connects with me so much. So I just love it. So this is how my final journal looks like, and I'm just super happy with it. I didn't fill it with so much colors because it will be interesting in the next month, like January month, so stay tuned for that too. But this is how it completely looks, and I'm completely so much happy with it.
So guys, that was it for the video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो मेरा पसंद आया होगा. I had too much fun making all of this for you guys. और मुझे जर्नल सेटअप बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. It is one of the most important part of my life right now. Setting up journal, planning my months and everything. I just love doing that so much. So yeah, अगर ये आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो नीचे लाइक कर दीजिए और मुझे कमेंट में बता दीजिए. और अगर आपके पास कोई मंथ के मतलब कुछ थीम के सजेशंस है तो भी आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. एंड डू लाइक सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बेल ताकि आपको सबसे पहले आ जाए कि मेरा वीडियो आ चुका है. और अगर आपको नहीं पता है, मैं वीडियो लेके आती हूँ एवरी थर्सडे एंड एवरी मंडे एट 10:30 in the morning. So yeah, bye bye until we meet next time. Love.